Secret number 1. The effortless touch of sprezzatura. Many of us, especially after 50, feel the need to make everything just right. The perfectly tied scarf, the neatly pressed blouse, the flawless hair. But when it all looks too studied, it can actually feel stiff. And Italian women deliberately add one element of ease. A silk scarf casually draped instead of perfectly knotted, sleeves pushed up just enough to show a bracelet, hair with a little natural movement instead of sprayed into place. It's not careless, it's confidence. Because elegance at this stage of life isn't about perfection, it's about presence. A touch of softness and ease tells the world you're comfortable in your skin, and that kind of confidence is irresistible. The next time you get dressed, do this. Stand in front of the mirror and undo one thing. Loosen a button, roll your sleeves slightly, or let your scarf fall naturally. That tiny adjustment creates instant Italian elegance. Secret number 2. The power of one perfect handbag. We often collect bags in every size, color, and style, thinking variety equals elegance. But most of those bags, they end up looking dated, cheap, or too trendy within a year. Italian women choose one exquisite handbag and make it their signature. Usually in a neutral like camel, deep brown, or black. Crafted from beautiful leather, with simple lines and subtle hardware. No flashy logos, just timeless quality. Because a well-made bag doesn't just carry your essentials, it carries your presence. With age, we don't need to prove anything. One handbag, worn with confidence, becomes part of your identity. And with time, that bag develops a patina, telling your story every time you walk into a room. If you're ready to upgrade, skip the trend-driven purses. Invest in one structured leather bag that works with everything from jeans to evening wear. It's not about the label, it's about craftsmanship. One perfect handbag can do more for your style than a closet full of just okay ones. Secret number 3. Why Italian women never wear head-to-toe black. Many women rely on all black outfits as a safe choice. But what feels radiant? Try replacing your all-black outfit with black trousers, a dark gray sweater, and a soft-colored scarf. Notice how people ask, "Have you been on vacation?" That's the power of color placement. It brings light back to your face. Secret number 4. They understand the power of beautiful shoes. You can wear the most stunning blouse or tailored trousers, but if your shoes are wrong, the whole outfit collapses. Italian women over 50 know this better than anyone. Their elegance begins from the ground up. Too many of us invest in handbags or jewelry but settle for good enough shoes. Cheap, uncomfortable, or clunky footwear not only ages your look, but also affects the way you carry yourself. Nothing ruins elegance faster than wobbling in painful heels or shuffling in worn-out flats. Italian women don't chase dozens of pairs. Instead, they curate a small collection of truly beautiful, timeless shoes. Think of soft nude pumps that elongate the leg, sleek black flats with elegant details, or rich brown ankle boots that transition across seasons. Each pair is chosen for quality, comfort, and versatility. Because confidence starts with how you feel in your clothes. And if your shoes are comfortable, your posture improves, your stride lengthens, and your elegance shines naturally. Style isn't about suffering, it's about ease and presence. If you want to start small, invest in one perfect pair of nude or tan leather flats or pumps. They work with dresses, trousers, and denim alike, instantly pulling every outfit together. Secret number 5. They master the uniform concept. Hook. Have you noticed how the most stylish Italian women always look consistent, as if every outfit is part of a personal signature? That's no accident. They've mastered something called the uniform concept, and it's their secret weapon. Many women over 50 feel pressured to reinvent their style every season. They buy into fleeting trends, only to feel overwhelmed or mismatched later. The result? A closet full of clothes, but still nothing to wear. Italian women don't chase trends. They refine formulas. They identify a silhouette that flatters them endlessly and make it their uniform. For some, it's high-waisted trousers with a silk blouse and blazer. For others, it's a midi skirt paired with a casual point for building your uniform. Once you know your formula, dressing well becomes effortless. Secret number 6. They embrace bella figura in everything. If there's one phrase that captures the heart of Italian elegance, it's bella figura. But what does it really mean? It's not just about clothes. It's about showing up in the world as your best self, every single day. Many women over 50 worry about being overdressed, or worse, they swing the other way and show up underdressed, hoping to blend in. Both extremes can leave you feeling either uncomfortable or invisible. Italian women know that bella figura is about honoring the occasion and the people around you. Whether they're meeting friends for a quick espresso, strolling through the piazza, or attending an elegant dinner, they present themselves with quiet sophistication. A pair of perfectly fitted jeans with a silk blouse for daytime, or a blazer and scarf for the evening. Nothing flashy, but always intentional. It communicates self-respect and grace. Dressing with bella figura says, I value this moment and I value myself. It's about presence, not perfection. And when you adopt this mindset, every outfit feels elevated because it reflects thoughtfulness. Before you leave the house, ask yourself, does this outfit honor where I'm going and who I'll be with? That one simple question transforms your wardrobe into a tool for confidence and connection. Secret number 7. They never apologize for taking up space. Have you ever caught yourself shrinking back, choosing clothes that hide you, blending into the background, almost apologizing for being seen? Italian women over 50 do the exact opposite. They understand that elegance is not about disappearing. It's about owning your space with quiet confidence. So many women, especially after 50, start dressing smaller. Oversized tops to hide the tummy, muted colors to fade into the background, or safe outfits that say, "Don't notice me." But the truth is, this makes you feel less visible, less vibrant, and less powerful. Italian women over 50 celebrate themselves. They choose pieces that fit the body they have today, not the one from 20 years ago. They wear colors that flatter, fabrics that flow, and take conclusion and call to action. So, there you have it. 7 timeless Italian-style secrets that women over 50 use to look elegant, confident, and expensive without ever trying too hard. From mastering sprezzatura to embracing bella figura, and never apologizing for taking up space. These aren't just fashion tips, they're a mindset, a way of carrying yourself with grace and intention every single day. And here's the truth, style isn't about age, price tags, or chasing every new trend. It's about understanding what flatters you now, honoring yourself, and showing up in the world with quiet confidence. That's what makes women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond unforgettable.